Block shares surged 10%. What it means for investors. Block stock price surged by over 10% in after-hours trading on Friday, marking a significant milestone as the fintech company prepares to enter the prestigious S&P 500 index, taking the place of Hess. This development is particularly noteworthy as it represents the second adjustment to the index within the same week. Earlier, S&P Global had announced that The Trade Desk, a prominent player in the ad tech sector, would also be included in the S&P 500, replacing software company Ansys, which was recently acquired by Synopsys. Hess's exit from the index comes on the heels of Chevron's successful $54 billion acquisition of the oil producer, a deal that saw Chevron triumph over ExxonMobil in a legal battle concerning offshore oil assets in Guyana. Block is set to officially join the S&P 500 before trading begins on July 23, as confirmed by a statement from S&P. Historically, stocks tend to experience a rally when they are added to major indices, as fund managers adjust their portfolios to accommodate these changes. Typically, changes to the S&P 500 occur during its quarterly rebalancing. However, in instances where a company is acquired, it can be removed and replaced outside of the regular schedule. For example, just last week, Datadog, a monitoring software firm, replaced Juniper Networks in the S&P 500 as part of the index's quarterly adjustments. The inclusion of Block adds further technological strength to an index that has increasingly leaned towards tech companies in recent years, reflecting the growing market capitalizations of firms in this sector. Originally known as Square, Block gained recognition for its innovative payment terminals and has since diversified into cryptocurrency, lending, and various other financial services. Founded by Jack Dorsey in 2009, the company rebranded from Square to Block in 2021 to highlight its commitment to blockchain technology. Despite this positive news, Block shares have declined by 14% this year, underperforming the broader U.S. market, where the Nasdaq has risen by over 8% and the S&P 500 has increased by 7%. Nevertheless, with a market capitalization of approximately $45 billion, Block remains significantly above the median valuation of companies within the index. In May, Block reported its first quarter earnings, which fell short of Wall Street's expectations, leading to a sharp decline in its stock price. The company's outlook for the second quarter and the full year indicated that it is navigating challenging economic conditions, exacerbated by sweeping tariff announcements from President Donald Trump. In its quarterly report, Block acknowledged the dynamic macroeconomic environment, stating, "We recognize we are operating in a more dynamic macro environment, so we have reflected a more cautious stance on the macro outlook into our guidance for the rest of the year." Looking ahead, Block is scheduled to announce its second quarter results after the market closes on August 7th. This upcoming report will be closely watched by investors and analysts alike, as it may provide further insights into the company's performance amid a fluctuating economic landscape. Watch the rise of Blue Sky.